Hello, welcome to Quick and Honest Art Talks. I am Michael Carini, and today I want to talk to you about quitting. I think I talked about this last week, but this is so important because I feel like in this industry of being an artist, I feel like I'm successful. I feel like people on the outside that look at me think that I'm successful. But I want to let you know that I have my struggles. I have my days that I feel like giving up, my days that I feel like quitting, days that I feel like I'm not enough, days that I wonder what I'm doing, days that I wonder if I still have it or if the best is behind me. So it's perfectly normal and okay to have those thoughts, but don't allow them to stop you. So when I was feeling like that just about a week ago after, dealing with a month of struggles, I'm coming off a traumatic brain injury. I just lost my cat. Business has been kind of going downhill, not really working out. I got dumped by my agency. I got dumped by a licensing deal. I'm not really moving work at the galleries. I know that loss is just a step away from found. And if I ever was to give up, that my success, my opportunity could have been right on the other side of that door that I didn't knock on. But if I quit, if I give up, I will never find out. And that's why I must hold on. And I must show you that this impossible dream is possible. It is very, very difficult to do this. Living here in San Diego, cost of living is astronomical. It's tough. But I want to show you that the impossible is possible. This is my purpose. This is what I was put on this earth to do. And so I will keep fighting. But I want to let you know it's perfectly okay to think about quitting. But keep fighting. Because most people, when it gets tough, they will quit. And the secret to success is to keep going, to keep fighting, because you might be right there. And I would rather deal with the pain of the journey than the pain of regret, because the pain of regret, that lasts forever. Thank you for joining me. Check out all my videos and tell people about me.